My name is Dr. Ruimin, and my research project is on MAPS, which is trying to understand the multimorbidity in people with mental health problems. So people with mental health problems, for example, schizophrenia and bipolar disorders, they experience a higher premature mortality than the general population. This is partially because they're more likely to have long-term conditions. We know that having 3 or more long-term conditions is more common in people with mental health problems. And for people with multiple long-term conditions, that's what we call multimorbidity, tend to have poor quality of life, premature mortality, function decline, and increased utilization of healthcare. Currently, we don't know how those long-term conditions co-occur in people with mental problems. So this project, using a particular information evaluation techniques, what we call latent class analysis, we aim to understand the multimorbidity patterns and also factors that may impact the development of those patterns in people with mental problems. So this project uses linked information from both general practice and mental health care record, extracted from electronic care records. Information from general practice was abstracted from a database called the Lambus DataNet, which include a large proportion of information from Borough of Lambus in South London. We also used information from specialist care record from South London and Maudsley Trust. We included almost 2,000 patients in this project. So in terms of the results, we managed to find 5 multimorbidity patterns: unhealthy use of drugs, so alcohol, disorders relating to allergies, for example, asthma, common mental health problems related to our mood, for example, depression, disorders of our heart, for example, high blood pressure. And the final pattern, that what we call complex multimorbidity, that included many different disorders. So previous studies only included individual long-term conditions in people with mental health problems, but this current project identified the patterns of those long-term conditions in people with mental health problems and also complex need. So this kind of findings help us understand the ways the different health conditions occur alongside each other and highlight the need for prevention in current healthcare system. For the future, I think future study will be to further understand the ways that the combination of conditions, how they develop over time, and also treatment received the patient from each of those patterns.